Alright, so I got these covers on. I still need to go get this. Actually, I gotta take this back off because I gotta get the sensor that hooks here, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to find a harness for this. I actually started peeling off all of this off the head, so the head is kind of looking stripped, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rest of the paint. I think I'm just gonna crinkle black that sucker and be done with it. But yeah, that's kind of where we are today. So I got the sides done, this guy's done, that bracket's done. So pretty much we're just blacked out. It looks good. So coming along. So just worry about the head later. One thing that I did was because this motor basically the bearing pretty much got worn out, so it spun a bearing. Is I got this is a an earth magnet. These things are really strong, and I just ran it all over the bottom of the freaking oil pan to pick up any of the leftover trash. And there's some stuff on here you can see it picked up. So this worked great for removing all those little tiny pieces of metal that were left shaved in there. So that's good. Although we're going to replace this guy. I really don't like those. I'm going to get a steel oil pan. So I got to get that ordered, or either get it from the yard. But we'll see. Everything else is ready to go. I just got to get some of those sensors and stuff, and then we can continue to build. So it's going to start to slow down a little bit, but that's what I got done today. Not a lot else going on, so just kind of working on this just because it's easy. I got to get rid of all this trash here. Yeah, so painted these guys black, and did that yesterday. Yeah, so looking good. Just got to get a couple things and we're good to go. You guys take it easy. Peace.